Good morning, good morning, good morning. I haven't reached out to talk about Bowling4Chambers. I said, let me reach out to my people. We still have available 27 lanes. Last year the event was sold out. I'm going to reach out to those of you who participated last year to see why you haven't registered yet. But no, really, Bowling4Chambers is a community event. It's a family event. Everybody is welcome. Everybody has a great time. It's for a good purpose to help me to get reelected. And it's just fun. It's just a really, really feel-good event. And as I've shared with you before, we're going to be giving away a bowling ball. We are going to be giving away a limousine ride, to and from the bowling event. Again, the event is at MVP Bowling Alley, which is a beautiful bowling alley if you haven't had the opportunity to go there yet. But it's a really good time. We can get together, have a good time, laugh, joy. Oh, and we have some prizes for the highest bowler. So we're raising the bar a little bit this year. So please reserve your lanes today. Get your teams together. Got a friendly competition going. Trustee Knox, he came in strong last year. So he says he has it wrapped up again this year. But I think we're going to have a couple of our union brothers and sisters there, some of our firemen there. So why don't you plan on being there? Get registered today. Bowling4Chambers.